All right, so we got a small repair from RTD, one of their little transit vans, got in a small accident. So we're gonna be pretty much sanding this down, fixing the top cap, doing some fiberglass work to reinforce it, and then just put the Bondo over the top. The other thing we're gonna do is you can see whoever originally worked on this, I don't know who did what, but you can see where they just kind of like taped it off here and tried to fix just the corner. What we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna use the body line and tape across the body line. We're gonna sand it down and we're gonna repaint the whole top cap. So the repair actually looks like it's a quality repair, not like we just tried to slap it in and get it out. So anyway, that's that. Stay tuned. We should hopefully get it in and out within about a week or so.